not good.
Not good?
Shh. I want to get this on film.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
You're gonna video it?
I'm gonna get it all in there.
I dare ya.
You can do it.
If there's anyone that can do it, Johnny can. I believe in him.
You've got a big enough mouth, I know that.
Hey,
Well, I'm
edit that from the video, please.
Done.
Liar.
Okay. Do you want to... Oh, there you go.
We're ready.
Oh.
We're ready. It's gotta be nice and soft.
I think I'm just going to turn the fan on instead of the air conditioner.
Leave it on the fan? Yeah. While we're gone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll turn the air on when we get back if it's hot.
Mom, is that my top?
No, you gave it to me.
Did I buy that?
That wood smells good, Dad.
Something I'd buy.
That wood smells good. It smells like a campfire.
Johnny, it's time for you to stick that in your mouth.
Let me see. Okay, ready?
Yep. That is so disgusting. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. That is the most disgusting thing I've
Look
ever
like Joey Chestnut eating one of the hot dogs.
That is so disgusting.
Not you, Joey. I said Joey Chestnut. Did eat 70 hot dogs today.
Johnny, do you know how big that marshmallow was? That's like 12
It was
marshmallows.
a gigantic one.
Good job, Johnny.